Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Delta 2963, sorry, 2983, runway 196, takeoff flight, runway heading, maintain 5000.
Runway heading 5000, so takeoff 19.
Blue Streak 308, contact on departure.
Switching departure, Blue Streak 308. Departure, Blue Streak 308, passing 2000 for 5000, heading 170. Blue Streak 308, stand with greater contact, maintain flight level 190, heading 090. Heading 090, Blue Streak 308.
Delta 2983, contact on departure.
Delta 2983, switching cadet.
Delta 2983. Delta 2983, can you hold your
Delta 2983, 1800, Carmen 5000, runway heading. Delta 2983, some departure, radar contact, I maintain 120,000. I maintain 120,000, Delta 2983.
all aircraft in the whole day 19, just stand by for a few minutes, we got a temporary stop on departure.
Delta 2983, clear to elbow. Delta 2983, go ahead. We had a momentary TCAS already. Was there an actual aircraft 500 feet below us as we came off of the DCA? Delta 2983, affirmative. Okay.
Blue Streak 5576, we'll get you back in. The flyby's all done. Appreciate your patience. Sorry I couldn't give you more of a heads up. They increased their time over target, so that's what the vector away from the field was.
Gotcha. Thank you for the heads up.